Revain Price Prediction 2021, 2025, 2030, REV Price Forecast. Revain Past Price Analysis. According to the latest data gathered, the current price of Revain is $0.018 and REV is currently ranked number 73 in the entire crypto ecosystem. The circulation supply of Revain is 85,061,485,690 with a market cap of $1,545,483,280. In the past 24 hours, the crypto has been decreased by 0.91% in its current value. If we compare the current market cap of the REV with yesterday's, you can see that the market cap is also down. From last 7 days the REV was in good upward trend and increased by 19.43%. Revain has shown very strong potential lately and this could be a good opportunity to dig right in and invest. However, after comparing the current price with past 30 days price history, it is observed that Revain has increased 46.095% in its value. The average minimum price for the month is $0.010 while maximum average price was $0.010. This implies that this coin is a suitable asset and a new addition to your portfolio of coins for a long term. The 90 days price change is around 25.53% and the price circulated from a minimum average price of $0.013 to maximum average price of $0.014 in the past 90 days. In last 4 months Revain has shown a growing trend. Thus, we think that similar parts of the market were quite popular at that period. According to the latest data collected, the trading volume of Revain is increased from 4 months. The trading volume constitutes a vital role in its price. The coin is up by 34.01% with the maximum average price of the coin was around $0.013 and the minimum average price of was around $0.012 in past 4 months. Revain Price Prediction 2021. According to our deep technical analysis on past price data of REV, in 2021 the price of Revain is predicted to reach at a minimum level of $0.019. The REV price can reach a maximum level of $0.021 with the average trading price of $0.020. Revain Price Prediction 2022. The price of Revain is predicted to reach at a minimum level of $0.029 in 2022. The Revain price can reach a maximum level of $0.034 with the average price of $0.030 throughout 2022. REV Price Forecast for 2023 to 2024. As per the forecast price and technical analysis, in 2023 the price of Revain is predicted to reach at a minimum level of $0.043. The REV price can reach a maximum level of $0.051 with the average trading price of $0.044. The price of 1 Revain is expected to reach at a minimum level of $0.062 in 2024. The REV price can reach a maximum level of $0.075 with the average price of $0.064 throughout 2024. Revain Price Prediction 2025. Revain price is forecast to reach a lowest possible level of $0.092 in 2025. As per our findings, the REV price could reach a maximum possible level of 11 cents with the average forecast price of $0.094. Revain Price Prediction 2026. According to our deep technical analysis on past price data of REV, in 2026 the price of Revain is forecasted to be at around a minimum value of 13 cents. The Revain price value can reach a maximum of 15 cents with the average trading value of 14 cents in USD. Revain, REV, Price Prediction 2027. The price of Revain is predicted to reach at a minimum value of 18 cents in 2027. The Revain price could reach a maximum value of 23 cents with the average trading price of 18 cents throughout 2027. Revain Price Prediction/Forecast 2028. As per the forecast and technical analysis, in 2028 the price of Revain is expected to reach at a minimum price value of 26 cents. The REV price can reach a maximum price value of 31 cents with the average value of 27 cents. Revain, REV, Price Prediction 2029. The price of Revain is predicted to reach at a minimum value of 36 cents in 2029. The Revain price could reach a maximum value of 45 cents with the average trading price of 38 cents throughout 2029. Revain Price Prediction 2030. Revain price is forecast to reach a lowest possible level of 52 cents in 2030. As per our findings, the REV price could reach a maximum possible level of 64 cents with the average forecast price of 54 cents.